Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install and write your first Python program. First, you need to go to python.org and download Python. You need to install Python from here. Then look for the install program called IDLE, idle. Start it and you are in this environment. Okay, so let's write your first Python program. You can start printing information on the screen using the print command, and then put the content in here. Hello cat can code community. Make sure that you put them in the single quotation mark here. Press enter. Python now it print the content that you want on the screen. You also can do some calculation. For example, 5 plus 5 times 2 equal to 20. You also can combine string and calculation. Some calculation using this 3 times 2, for example. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.